real charge, real hearts, real grind, real shine. Authentic, transparent. This is how it's done. Educate the trade, yeah, we number one. What? Yeah, we number one. Yeah, welcome to the flow, educate the trade, where the money moves live, never pre-made. Enzo, the pullback king, sharp like a blade. He spots them setups clean, watch the profits get paid. Russell Roussel, the right-hand ace, charts on fire, man, he sets the pace. Pedro the pig, mascot in the place, oinking for the wins, keeping smiles on the face. No delay, no replay, we traded in time. Real charts, real hearts, real grind, real shine. Authentic, transparent, showing what's done. Every Tuesday, Thursday, yeah, the show's live, son. Yeah, the show's live, son. Yeah, the show's live, son. Candles flash green, emotions on hold, wrist tight, entries clean, exit pure gold. We don't fake numbers or edit the frame. This is raw, live, educate the trade name. From London to the world, they watch the game flow. Enzo pullback, Russell calling that go. Pedro the pig, with the luck in tow. We trade, we teach, we let the truth show. No delay, no replay, we traded in time. Real charts, real hearts, real grind, real shine. Authentic, transparent, this is how it's done. Educate the trade, yeah, we number one. What? Yeah, we number one. Yeah, welcome to the flow, educate the trade, where the money moves live, never pre-made. Enzo, the pullback king, sharp like a blade. He spots them setups clean, watch the profits get paid. Russell Roussel, the right-hand ace, charts on fire, man, he sets the pace. Pedro the pig, mascot in the place, oinking for the wins, keeping smiles on the face. No delay, no replay, we traded in time. Real charts, real hearts, real grind, real shine. Authentic, transparent, showing what's done. Every Tuesday, Thursday, yeah, the show's live, son. Yeah, the show's live, son. Yeah, the show's live, son. Candles flash green, emotions on hold, wrist tight, entries clean, exit pure gold. We don't fake numbers or edit the frame. This is raw, live, educate the trade name. From London to the world, they watch the game flow. Enzo pullback, Russell calling that go. Pedro the pig, with the luck in tow. We trade, we teach, we let the truth show. No delay, no replay, we traded in time. Real charts, real hearts, real grind, real shine. Authentic, transparent, this is how it's done. Educate the trade, yeah, we number one. What? Yeah, we number one. Yeah, welcome to the flow, educate the trade, where the money moves live, never pre-made. Enzo, the pullback king, sharp like a blade. He spots them setups clean, watch the profits get paid. Russell Roussel, the right-hand ace, charts on fire, man, he sets the pace. Pedro the pig, mascot in the place, oinking for the wins, keeping smiles on the face. No delay, no replay, we traded in time. Real charts, real hearts, real grind, real shine. Authentic, transparent, showing what's done. Every Tuesday, Thursday, yeah, the show's live, son. Yeah, the show's live, son. Yeah, the show's live, son. Candles flash green, emotions on hold, wrist tight, entries clean, exit pure gold. We don't fake numbers or edit the frame. This is raw, live, educate the trade name. From London to the world, they watch the game flow. Enzo pullback, Russell calling that go. Pedro the pig, with the luck in tow. We trade, we teach, we let the truth show. No delay, no replay, we traded in time. Real charts, real hearts, real grind, real shine. Authentic, transparent, this is how it's done. Educate the trade, yeah, we number one. What? Yeah, we number one. Yeah. Yeah, welcome to the flow, educate the trade, where the money moves live, never pre-made. Enzo, the pullback king, sharp like a blade. He spots them setups clean, watch the profits get paid. Russell Roussel, the right-hand ace, charts on fire, man, he sets the pace. Pedro the pig, mascot in the place, oinking for the wins, keeping smiles on the face. No delay, no replay, we traded in time, real charts, real hearts, real grind, real shine. Authentic, transparent, showing what's done every Tuesday, Thursday. Yeah, the show's live, son. Yeah, the show's live, son. Yeah, the show's live, son. Candles flash green, emotions on hold, wrist tight, entries clean, exit pure gold. We don't fake numbers or edit the frame. This is raw, live, educate the trade name. From London to the world, they watch the game flow. Enzo pull back, Russell calling that go. Pedro the pig, with the luck in tow. We trade, we teach, we let the truth show. No delay, no replay, we traded in time. Real charts, real hearts, real grind, real shine. Authentic, transparent, this is how it's done. Educate the trade, yeah, we number one. Yeah, we number one. Yeah, welcome to the flow, educate the trade, where the money moves live, never pre-made. Enzo, the pullback king, sharp like a blade. He spots them setups clean, watch the profits get paid. Russell Roussel, the right-hand ace, charts on fire, man, he sets the pace. Pedro the pig, mascot in the place, oinking for the wins, keeping smiles on the face. No delay, no replay.
It's too late. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to a Thursday live trading session. Live here from Bromley South, Educate to Trade. And I am Russell, and alongside me is your trader for the day, Enzo, who seems to have a microphone in the top of his head.
All is good. The Wolves of Bromley. The Wolves of Bromley Common are here.
Okay, not quite sure what we're going to do with this mic, but like they can't normally hear you.
But
so.
that's pretty close. I mean, you can't get much closer than that.
That's better than it was the other day. So if you're having trouble hearing Enzo, please let us know. If you can't hear him now, that's because he's not talking. Okay, so just to clarify that.
But I am talking now.
Okay, that is Enzo talking. So if you can hear him loud and clear, let us know. Let us know in the comments. Another few things to do. I haven't got the camera set up properly. So Tom, if you can just scan the camera down, that would be good. This is my assistant here, Tom. He is a fundamental trader. He come here on a scholarship program. Just down's that way, yeah? If you untwist that handle, then and then now twist it back again. There you go. Right, and this is Pedro the pig. Here, he is our trading mascot. Tom's going to try and exit the streaming place without destroying 3 cameras. Did you manage to do that, Tom?
Perfectly.
Well done, Tom. I mean, this is 3 months in, and we've really educated them. So he is now able to exit a streaming center without breaking a camera. So I feel like this is forward momentum for all the scholarships, all the scholarship students here. So okay, guys, so how are you doing out there? Feel free to let us know. We would love some interaction with you. I'm going to reach in and grab my keyboard here so I can type back to you. It was all a bit of a rush today, hence why things are not actually done properly, but I've managed to get us over all platforms, which is quite good. So Enzo, how are you today?
I'm great, thank you. It's lovely to see you again, Russell. As always.
We've got kind of like matching shirt thing going on, you know.
Yeah, well, we didn't to plan it, but you know, it's just that spontaneous.
I'm getting into wearing my shirts nowadays. You know, I had a haircut yesterday as well.
Yeah, you're looking sharp, Russell. Yeah.
Thank you very much. I mean, that's it wasn't looking too good yesterday, but it's looking a lot better today now. I've actually done it. So if you like my hair. I want to hear from comments from you. If you don't like my hair, please feel free to comment on that as well.
I don't like your hair.
If you want me to shave all my head off, if you send me the TikTok universe, I will shave my head off live on this stream. So,
what are we trading?
So Enzo, let's get to the matter in hand, and the matter of hand is live trading, right? So, how's it going today? What are we doing? What are you looking at?
Yeah,
all of that jazz.
I've just been working my way through the asset categories, and I've made some short list of a couple of FX pairs I'm looking at.
A couple of FX pairs, okay, cool.
And I'm just currently looking at the indices, and then also the commodities in a moment. And then once I've done that, well, I reckon we'll definitely be looking to get into 1 or 2 trades, because I'm seeing some nice setups forming. So
happy days.
We had that dollar yen position on Tuesday.
Yes.
Which I think hit the target just after midnight.
Okay, cool. You wasn't up to
see it,
to see that live, were you?
This is it here.
Okay. I will have to get your screen up, so bear with me for unos segundos. Oh wow, so basically every time I do this it's actually going wrong, so not quite sure what's going on here. Let me just try and sort this out. I have no idea what's going on. Right, seems like every time we do a stream now I'm having to resize these things. Not quite sure what's happening and why it's doing that, but we will overcome it. So there is Enzo's screen. So show him that trade again, Enzo. Sorry, because it didn't quite happen.
Yeah, so this was our we took it on a kind of double top pullback there.
Okay.
We had a move down to about 2 to 1, and then it retraced, came back to the entry, and we just left it to the good old randomness of the market.
Yeah, randomness of the market, FJP has joined, and he is saying, "Get a burst fade, get a burst fade." Not quite sure what that means. Maybe you could let us know. This mysterious FJP, whoever you are, wherever you are.
It's actually Philly.
Oh, Jesus Christ, Tom! Now you've just grasped it up to the whole of our audience. Yeah, that we're actually basically fiddling the numbers. So, well done, Tom. I mean, you know, he might fold under pressure. You can always rely on Tom to not keep his mouth shut. That will occur. I know, Tom. That's why I said it. But unfortunately, Tom, for you, I will be moving stream desks soon. So
where are you going to be moving to?
Oh, Tom, actually, funny this is. I don't actually think that it's your fault.
Go on, what's up?
Right, because yesterday Igjot was sitting in your chair, and he was also annoying on the stream as well. So I deduced from that that it's not you at all. It's actually just the chair. It's the chair. It's the chair. It's as simple as that. So if you guys want to buy a chair that will make you annoying, we're selling it for £75. Great for maybe other people's kids. Yeah, so to annoy their parents. What a wonderful present. You know, like when you buy like a really noisy present for a kid. You know,
like a squeak. Like...
Yeah, or something. Yeah, like a bit like this. You know, and then you just give it to them and you just say, "Yep, nice. See you later." And you know that that you have just opened a can of worms, and that toy subsequently will run out of batteries really quickly.
Oh, you remember the old...
we can't find any more of those same batteries, right?
Remember the old Duracell batteries?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah. Which would you remember them? They're still out. Like, what are you on about?
And you know, the ones that used to go in the... You know, before we had all the...
Oh, okay, yeah. Every
with, like,
toy used to have a
USBs
battery,
and
yeah. And they used to sell them, and they were never... The batteries were never included, were they? So, yeah, well, cool. I mean, this is all exciting stuff that we're talking about. All exciting stuff we're talking about. So, let me just see what's going on here. Here we go. This is messed up again as well.
Yeah, that is a good buy. That is a good buy. It is indeed a solid buy.
Okay, so there we go. I think I've managed to sort this all out. And how's the position screen looking? That's fine. I don't know why this is doing this now every time. Every time I seem to come back to this, it seems to just reset itself, which is very strange. Very, very strange. But whatever, I suppose. So guys, how are you out there? Who is live on the stream now? We are doing a live trading session with Enzo. We're going to try and take positions that will go either way within this time frame. And if it doesn't happen within this time frame, we will hold them, and we will let you know about them on Tuesday, whether they went to target or whether they went to loss. So are any of you guys traders? Let me know. I've just had a WhatsApp, so I need to check out the WhatsApp. What's going on here? Oh, well, okay. My neighbour is sending me pictures of crows in the garden, so that's quite exciting. Oh, and a fox on a shed roof. Wow. It's all going on. Yes, I know the Instagrams like that. Yeah. It's all going on in my neighbour's garden apparently at the moment. If any of you guys have any crows or foxes on roofs, feel free to also send your pictures to me. Hello Amy, how are you? Good to see you on here again. Amy is a regular to our stream, so she always gives us some good tips. So Amy has quite a extensive portfolio of stocks and shares, and she's made quite a few good trades. She's made a good gold trade that I remember. She made a good profit on Beyond Meat, and there was one the other day. I can't remember what you were saying, but I'm not sure. So if you want to remind me on that one, Amy, yeah, let me know. Yeah, so right, guys, I want to long oil. What do you think about oil? It's a slippery subject, isn't it, Enzo?
Could be slippery, couldn't it?
I see what you did there.
Yeah, thank you, Tom. I mean, it's called just a bit of humour, but if you make attention to it, then it loses its appeal. That's our scholarship student now that can't seem to keep his mouth shut for more than 5 minutes. Raymond says he likes it slippery. Keep it clean, Raymond. Keep it clean.
Oil can sometimes. We nearly shorted oil on Tuesday, didn't we? It has been moving down a bit, but
yeah. So actually, I saw I heard a thing on Bloomberg Radio this morning, and they were saying that OPEC are saying that there is far too much production going on, and will continue to go on into 2026. So it is being overproduced at the moment. So you would think on that context, then, you know, it would kind of be decreasing, but I'm no expert on oil, so but this is all I just heard this morning. Amy wants you to look at the NAS. Okay. If we could do that, because there might be a position there.
At the moment, I am looking at I am potentially looking at taking some along on one of the indices.
Which one?
At the moment, the FTSE's looking the smoothest to me.
How did the DAX do? Because they just had some.
It's very choppy. It's very choppy. I didn't want to get involved.
Oh, so we had some data on the DAX, but it didn't move at all. What was that? What was that data, Finn? German CPI. Okay. And what were the figures? Was it as forecasted? It was above 5.1%. So that's not really a lot, is it?
Considering the rest of the time for the last 4 months, it's just been as forecast.
So for the past 4 months, it's been at forecast, and today it was up 0.1% from forecast, but didn't produce any results. I just don't think that that's probably a wide enough gap for it to actually move a chart, but I mean, it could have. So Raymond's saying BS. They don't want me to buy and make big profit. I'm not sure. Like, you know, you're more than welcome to do that, but if it tanks, then that would be on you. That was another bad oil joke. Yeah. So yeah, no, I understand that you meant Bloomberg. I think I'm not quite sure that Bloomberg care about your trade, but I just think they oil's a bit of a different situation at the moment. It's in a very weird place, because I don't really understand what's happening, because they're just producing. Obviously that other pipeline that goes through Turkey has opened up as well, which has opened up more avenues for oil. So it just seems absolutely crazy. I mean, if you look at also, it'd be good to actually have a look at what the price of oil is now. Let me get my trading view up. You're not going to be able to see it on there. If this computer will allow me to. It was being a bit difficult yesterday on that situation. So let me have a look. I'm just having a look now at the oil. What are you looking at now, Enzo?
I'm just looking at potentially shorting the dollar against the CAD.
Okay. Where is it? I know it's here somewhere. Obviously, I didn't have any of this. So oil at the moment is at $65.50 a barrel. So that is, it's actually, I mean, there was a huge spike in it a few months ago, and now it's kind of slowly starting to make its way back up, but we have had a bit of a correction on that in the last couple of days. If you're completely a technical trader, I'm guessing that you would more than likely be looking for it to go lower, to take out some of those recent, well, not recent, old day lows, or the low in June. So I suppose you'll be looking at that. I wish I could show you the chart, but Enzo at the moment is doing his thing there. I am going to work on a way within this stream to be able to flip from one laptop to another, well, from his iPad to another computer. But at the moment I'm not doing anything because I've been told that the streaming desk has to move, and that is because we are opening up our grad program to a lot more students. So if you are local to Bromley South, or you live in London and you don't mind travelling to Bromley, please feel free to give us a DM and you could get on the grad scheme. So to put that into context, these guys behind me, they are the grads. They've been here for 3 months, and 2 out of 4 of them are consistently profitable every week, apart from this week. So how's things going this week, Finley? It's been an awful week, hasn't it?
There's been nothing today. There's news on.
Are you down today?
Yeah, 250, but hopefully by the end of the day I should be.
Are you down overall all week, or what's going on?
There was, well, yeah, technically today's the only day I've traded.
Oh, you actually haven't traded all week?
No, we haven't.
Wow. So, but that's not really a lot considering your account size. What percent's that? Like 0.25 or something?
What, me being down 250?
Yeah.
About 2%.
2%? Okay, well, hopefully that trade will come in for you later on. Interesting, because somebody else is saying here as well, it's been his worst week as well, and he hasn't traded at all. And when I do, it just hits stops.
Yeah, no, that's what happened to me earlier.
Yeah, so somebody else is literally saying saying exactly the same thing as well. Well, guys, one sec.
Google's going down to.
Did you hear that? That was Wells Fargo. Have you already factored that in? Yeah. Okay, cool. Yeah. So yeah, I mean, to be fair, we took 2 gold trades yesterday with Sinu, and both of them hit stops. And we're just hoping today Enzo can turn the tide. What do you reckon, Enzo?
Come on, everyone. It's all a coin toss. Just let the heads and tails play themselves out. That's all it is. Don't take it too seriously. People think I joke, but I'm dead serious. It's just random distribution. Like, that's what goes on in trading. If you want to be the predictor, then have a go.
Holding long shorts 2k pip value. Could I qualify to work there? Listen, you know, if you want to come and join the grad scheme, feel free to reach out to us. But they are just trading fundamentals, so it's relatively, I'm not going to say easy, but there's less emotion tied to it. You're reading figures that come in, you're doing calculations, and you are basically taking trades as quick as you can. So yeah, and you know, most weeks have been up. So I mean, Finley had a week where he was actually 20% up, and I think the other weeks it's been ranging around 5%. So, and you know, in 3 months I would say that that's pretty good, as it, you know, takes most traders multiple years to get to that stage, right?
Oh, definitely.
You know, even you was impressed.
Oh, definitely.
but you know, maybe it was a good few weeks. You know, it's early, isn't it? Like it's a very small data set.
Yeah,
You
I
know?
think you need to let the time show how a system will play out.
Yeah, so listen, you're asking if it's a paid course. Please just DM us and we'll get in touch with you, and we'll talk to you about your circumstances, and then we can go from there. Like I said, we're only starting to just move the office around to allocate space for more people. So at the time right now, it's just an idea. We're not sure whether we're going to charge just a desk fee, or whether we are going to just let it all out for free. So please read the comments a bit more. Okay, right. 1 second. Raymond. No, Northampton is nowhere near Bromley. I mean, unless you probably want to travel for about 3 hours every morning, it's going to be a long day for you. So.
We're short dollar CAD, by the way.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
We've actually taken a position. So we have entered. Hang on, let me change this. So at the moment, you can see we have taken. Jesus Christ. We have taken a short on dollar CAD. So that is our first position of the day, and I've been instructed not to speak to Enzo at any point, because we missed 2 trades last week that paid out, didn't we?
Did they pay out?
Yeah, oil would have hit take profit, and then there was another one that would have hit take profit as well. So.
I remember. Only when sometimes when I'm mapping out the trades. That's the only time.
So we're thinking of creating a Enzo a safe word. What do you think? What do you think Enzo's safe word should be? So if he is trading and I shouldn't talk to him, I voted for.
You know what I should do is just that means if you talk to me and I'm concentrating, I just go.
But I vote for you saying pineapple, because I saw a post once on Instagram. Peckham is very close. Please come down and talk to us. 100%. Andrew, so how old are you, and what yeah, you said pineapple as well. How old? So it's confirmed. If you don't want me to talk to you, you have to say pineapple.
No, come on. Let's have a better word than that.
No, look, I said it and Raymond said it. Yeah. So Andrew 203, DM us. I'll get back to you after this session, and then come down, and then we can discuss. But like I said, it is a full-time position. You would be expected to be here pretty much 5 days a week. Yeah, maybe 4 days a week. But you know what you're going to get out of it in 6 months to a year. I think it will be worth the sacrifice. So we are also moving one of our other guys from another desk to oversee this whole program. If you check out some of our videos on our Red channel, you will be able to see him taking a class. Now, he is an institutional style trader. He was trading institutionally for a hedge fund style trading place for 20 plus years. Never had a year that was down, and he's taken many grads who have also gone on to be very successful traders. Actually, most of his grads have gone on to be more successful than him. He at the moment now has given up his trading hat, and he is creating a prop firm with us. So that's what he's turned his skills to now. So yeah, Andrew, 23, trading for 6 years. I need a place to focus and trade. Yep, come down, Andrew. We'd be more than happy to see them if we can align ourselves and you know, give you a desk here. So also, guys, I have to remind you that we do have a free Telegram group in the bio. So feel free to please go to that Telegram group and join that. That will be loads of free education, markups, trade ideas, information about our copy trading platform. All our best traders here are in our copy trading platform. The trades you see here now from Enzo also copy into the trading platform, and the algos from our development team also go into there as well. Currently our copy trading platform is running 3 to 10% up per week depending on the week. Obviously this week I wouldn't hold any breath for any profits, as we have already discussed, and a few of you have actually agreed that that's the case as well. So cool, Enzo. So maybe I shouldn't talk to him. He's with calculator. I think Enzo is about to enter another position. I'm
We're
sure
looking to short the FTSE.
Yeah, but he's not saying pineapple, so I'm not sure that you know.
Pineapple, whatever.
Okay.
Yeah, NASDAQ.
So that means now I cannot talk to Enzo. I haven't sorted out a time frame on how long I'm not supposed to talk to Enzo. But pineapple has been affected. Operation Pineapple. So yeah, I am going to let Enzo trade now.
40 points. Sorry.
That's okay, Enzo. We're also, me and Enzo are also thinking of another little idea for these live trading streams, and that is to go into super scalping mode, which we are discussing. Okay, so it's funny you should ask if it's scalping. A lot of people would say it's scalping, but we sort of say it's swing scalping, because we would enter positions that
Sorry.
Go on.
I'll say that.
Pineapple, don't talk to me.
Yeah.
No, go on, I'm joking. Go on.
I would say no, it's not. I'm defining scalping as generally a trade that's expected to last less than 20 minutes.
Yep.
Now, we did have a trade on gold in the session that was, I think, virtually that. But we're looking really for more sustainable moves that could last, you know, at least a couple of hours and possibly days.
Yeah, so he wants to know why you're swing trading on 5-minute charts. I don't think we really are swing trading. Would you say we're doing intra-session? Right, so, but then if it hasn't hit target, we just leave it to go, right?
So I think just to explain, I'm an intra swing trader.
Okay.
That's my trading style. So the truth is that we actually got a couple of weeks ago we got long on gold on a 5-minute chart, and we was in it for 6 days.
Yeah.
So generally, I agree with what you're saying. Generally, lower time frames will be day trades, but not all the time. So I bet it's a mixture for me. Sometimes even I think we you know, when you enter at higher time frames, that can also sometimes play out very quickly. So it's not set in cement, like a rule that a 5-minute chart is never a swing trade, because if you look back in our streams, you'll see that we got in on gold on a 5-minute and we was in it for 6 days. Yeah.
So I think Raymond here is more of a swing trader, because he seemed to like the fact that you talked about 6 days. So
yeah.
So what lot size do you use? Okay, so Raymond, we're actually using a spread bet account, so we're not actually using lots, but what we're doing is we're calculating our risk to pounds, right?
Yeah, it's based on amounts per point. Although the trades do copy into sub accounts that are based on lot sizes and things.
Which is why we had a bit of trouble with them copying over, but now it seems to be.
Yeah, that was more to do with the mapping, I think, than the lot sizes.
Okay, cool.
Yeah. Actually, no, you got a point. Actually, sometimes it depends on. You have issues with slot, yeah.
But I think they had to change some of them down to penny accounts, cent accounts, didn't they? So
I think that was something different.
Okay, cool. Well, fair enough. Well, you know, thanks for backing me up on that one.
No, that's all right. No, I think you're right generally, but I'm just saying I think that was related to a different account.
Yeah. Okay, so So Raymond, why don't you tell me a bit more about yourself? It seems like you're a swing trader. So you're actually risking an amount of money. So how much is your stop loss average? Well, our stop loss would always be £100. Obviously, that would be calculated to where Enzo deems the stop loss should go. So some trades would be different. That's why you see him with the calculator, because he's actually calculating his risk in pounds, which is quite, So that's kind of what he's doing. So Raymond's been trading for 6 years. What do you trade, Raymond? Are you a Forex trader? Most swing traders are mainly trading. Would you say most swing traders are mainly trading Forex, Enzo?
Not necessarily.
Okay.
No.
What's the take profit on the USD CAD?
I'll show you in a moment.
Okay, we will swing back round to that.
I've taken it.
Goats?
Yeah, I've taken it on a 10-minute chart. In fact.
Oh, so you've actually taken that trade on a 10-minute chart?
Yeah, but
okay.
Just so you know, I can be dynamic, so I can actually switch charts when I'm in a trade.
Okay.
Yeah, so I'm not just because I've entered on a 10-minute doesn't mean I have to stay on a 10-minute.
Okay.
Does that make sense? Or?
Yeah, keep talking, Enzo, because I just need to run here.
All right, where are you going?
Just here, literally. That's not talking, Enzo.
Sorry.
So Enzo likes to talk silently. Really,
right.
Enzo's not actually talking ever at all. Actually, Enzo's a dummy, and I'm the ventriloquist.
People don't mind a little bit of silence, huh?
I don't know. Who would like silence for the next 15 minutes?
Not indefinitely.
So, did you answer what's the take profit on the USD CAD?
Yeah, I'll show you now.
Okay. So
I'll bring it up. Okay, so
up.
here it is. So there it is at the bottom. It's down to the like close to that previous low.
Okay. Yeah. So that's the take profit there. Raymond likes to get in on the 15-minute chart. Yeah, I mean that is pretty much a standard for most swing trading, a 15-minute chart. So what is it that you look for on a 15-minute chart? Are you looking for sweeps of liquidity or what?
Are you asking me?
No, I'm not asking.
Oh, sorry.
You.
All right, sorry.
It's
just in case you said I weren't talking again.
Please read back. Okay. We seem to have answered that. He's been trading for 6 years. I'm not okay. Maybe just type the message again, Raymond, because I might be missing what you're saying here. Yeah, please just type that again. Sorry, Raymond, if I've missed a message there, but I can't see which message that you're referring to. We have like quite a few other messages coming in. So Kashif, I used to have a manager called Kashif.
Was he the chief?
No, he wasn't. He was very passive aggressive.
Really?
Yeah, very. He used to send passive aggressive emails to everyone. He was like, he was such a bad manager.
Really?
Yeah. It was It got to the point where it was just laughable.
Right.
You know, like someone done something, so everyone would get a passive aggressive email.
Oh no.
And even once when someone done something really nice, like they really went above and beyond to help someone, like he thanked them, and at the end of the email it was like, you should all be like this. So he managed to even throw in a passive aggressive thing there. Messaged us on Christmas Day. I remember that once.
Really?
Yeah. There was a message once on Christmas Day about not using our vans on our days off.
Really?
On Christmas morning at like 7 o'clock in the morning.
That's horrendous.
I mean, maybe it was just a scheduled message, but you'd think you would like know what day that is, and you wouldn't message people, right?
It's quite intense, isn't it?
Yeah, like I said, I'm glad I'm out of that job.
You're so much more happier here, isn't it?
I mean, it was a good job, don't get me wrong. It was just the company was just micromanaging more and more. When I first started there, it was a great job. Yeah, and you know, this is the problem now. It's like, you know, yeah. So that's why everyone should learn how to trade, so they don't have to deal with micromanagement. You can micromanage your own charts.
and now, because you got me, you're happy, innit?
So Kashif is saying, after I went on that ramble, he's trading gold for a year. Please give me any piece of advice. Which is best time frame for gold?
So, you want me to answer that, or you want to
Yeah,
answer that?
I think it. Look, I mean that's a very broad question because it kind of depends how you're trading gold, right?
It also depends on your trading style, because I don't personally believe there's one best time frame. I think it's the best time frame that suits your trading style.
Yeah.
So
Kashif, what would be your trading style? And if you don't know your trading style, if you was to go to Google and type in personality test for trading, you will find some great tools on there to actually answer some psychological questions, and it might actually tell you what kind of trader that you should be. Tom, I don't know. It probably doesn't even exist. So, just Google it, Tom. Trading style test. Google psychology. Okay, right. I'm glad I've managed to give one of our students here a lesson on how Google works. This is all great stuff. You can see that the bar for our scholars is being set low this year.
So that's us just bought a pullback on the FTSE.
Okay, right. One sec. So Raymond, he uses Fibonacci's for profit target. Okay, so you're just waiting for pullbacks, and then you just use the Fibonacci for that. Then are you? And yes, you are a Forex trader. Someone's opinions on TJR. Actually, it's funny you should mention that. Where's Igjot? We've got someone here that can talk about him, who knows him a bit better. You know, I don't know. I've seen a lot of interviews from him, and like on that Titans of Tomorrow. I mean, he's very young. I think, you know, the problem is listening to these younger boys that portray lots of money can sometimes be dangerous to your psychology. So whether he's a good trader or not, I'm sure he is. Come and sit down because you've got a question to answer.
You want me to? I can go for.
No. Come on. Oh, you want to go for a break? Go on, go for a break.
So we've bought a pullback on the FTSE.
Pull back on the FTSE.
We short the dollar cap.
Okay, go on. You have your little break. Because Enzo can't sit down for more than 15 minutes. Yeah, but it's 5 minutes. Come on, sit down for 5 minutes. Come on. So the question is, what's your opinion on TJR, the trader? Because I know you were talking about him the other day. So
who's asking?
It's here somewhere.
E92.mfr.
Yeah.
Opinion on TJR, like, okay, I think he's a good trader, but he's a better marketer, in my opinion. Reason being is because, why do I say this? Is because recently what I've seen is he bought a coin XAG and then he just gave it back in like 30 days. So that was, the whole market was just like admiring the fact that a 22-year-old or 23, I don't know how old he is, just bought a coin XAG and then he just gave it back in like a month's time. So that clearly means to me is it was a marketing stunt. Now, of course, he's got his own clothing brand and all sorts, but apparently he makes a lot more money on courses. And as a trader, he does show his results. So I think it's a 50-50. It's a tie between the two, but he's a better marketer than a trader. That's all my.
I mean, look, I haven't really listened to him much. Is he selling courses as well?
Yeah.
Now, does he sell full streams? That's the question.
No,
Is it
I
one of
don't-
these? I'll do a course for 3 weeks and suddenly you'll be, you know, driving a Lamborghini.
No, that's not what he says. Reason being is, and then look, E92.mfr says that that's a good take. So yeah, it's just a logical reasoning and how do I say it? It's just observation, right? And no, he does not sell dreams. He just says that, yeah, this is my system, this is what I do. If you want to learn, then by all means go ahead and do it.
Yeah.
But at the end of it, the same system could be learned by thousands of people and they will never have same results as that person. Why do I
Exactly.
say this? Is because mentality, mindset, and how receptive are you to making money from trading is a big aspect. Because he can make 100 grand a trade, but you wouldn't be able to risk 10 grand a trade because you will just think to yourself, it's too big of money to be putting online, right? So everyone has a different as Enzo would say, thermometer,
Yeah.
where you wouldn't be able to risk as much as he does. So
Yeah.
in a nutshell.
So which is why I always think that, you know, having a mentor is really the game changer, and a mentor that kind of understands everything. So from technicals to fundamentals, to also psychology, because once it's all been said and done with the learning stuff, then the only person that really holds you back is yourself. So it's about conquering your own mind.
I mean, yeah, mentorship is surely a shortcut to success because he or she will tell you exactly what you should be doing. However, like Raymond just said, I think the market is the best teacher, which is true. Because mentorship can only take you so far. You got to take yourself to further extent, and you know.
It's like the analogy. You know, I could read, you know, 100 books on playing tennis. Does that mean when I step on that court, I'm going to be good? No,
No,
not
absolutely
at all.
no.
It's something that you have to actually, you know,
Got to put the hours in.
you got to get the skin in the game, as
Yeah.
they say. You know, you've got to make those losses. You know, you've got to make those wins. You've got to kind of feel those emotions, and then learn how to hone yourself. So you kind of become partially numb to those emotions, and also understand the law of large numbers. And you know how this is a long-term get rich slow scheme.
Yeah, it's not a get rich quick
quick.
scheme.
Yeah. So
Well, to be fair, like you said, Brad says, "All right, lads." I think he's had enough of what we're saying. But anyway, going back to the point, mentorship is crucial. You having the skin in the game is crucial. But again, what's one more crucial thing that you need to understand is the next important thing in your life after oxygen is money, right? So I mean,
I don't know.
I mean, yeah, without oxygen, you
Health?
just.
I think there's
Brad is saying hello. No, yeah, health, yes, because you know you need oxygen to breathe and live, right? And then you need money to survive. So just imagine how attached your mind is to money. And now when you see money fluctuating, going up and down, not just like £10 or £20, but 10 grand, 20 grand, like you would literally just lose your mind. As long as you're detached to money, which I'm sure nobody is, because even I'm not after all these years. It's a difficult game if you were to get big gains.
and divorce and break up if you've got a woman.
Oh yeah, that's
it
another
depends. I
attachment.
suppose that kind of depends on how you know your partner. You know,
Raymond, our CEO, is asking if you're a consistent trader. I think he's got a proposition.
who's this?
Bradley.
Okay. So Brad, you're listening. We actually have enlisted someone for the grad scheme on this TikTok channel. They are going to message us and they're going to come down.
I think we have
he's been
three
trading
potentials.
for 6 years as well, and would love to kind of, you know, have a desk and be able to learn fundamentals and stuff like that. So that's pretty exciting. Raymond, I think, unfortunately, is too far away. You're in Nottingham, aren't you, Raymond? Was that Nottingham or was that someone else?
Raymond is getting closer and closer to consistency. Northampton.
Northampton, that was it.
Yeah, Brad, if you're listening, Raymond is in Northampton. I think we might need a trading floor in Northampton.
Yeah,
now.
so we're based in Bromley South, so that's kind of on the outskirts of London.
I've heard the clubs in Northampton are really good, so I'm pushing Brad to get a trading floor in Northampton.
Yeah,
and
in
move.
fact, don't move. What we'll do is we'll just move to you. You know? Once this scheme starts to pay dividends, we're going to have an educated trading floor in every major city of this country. I mean, we've already opened some abroad, haven't we? We've got one in Pakistan,
South Africa, yeah.
South
Just loading.
Africa.
Raymond says I've heard it wrong. Okay, I'll take my words back. We're not opening one in Northampton. I'm new to trading. What should I do? Learn and improve. Okay, new to trading. So how new? I mean, have you learned anything from baby pips? Got any mentorship? Dubai or Northampton?
The other week for talking about baby pips. Now you're here talking
I know.
about
I'm
baby
just
pips.
asking him, like, asking his expertise. Bradley says Dubai or Northampton. Of course, Dubai, Brad. I mean, that shouldn't really be a question. We all go move Dubai then. Yeah, Raymond says Dubai. He's happy to move.
Right, should I start packing the stuff?
Yeah. Right, guys, the final.
Right.
The final one.
That's it, guys. Thank you very much for joining the stream today. We're going to be packing the screens away.
Yeah, apparently we're moving to Dubai. So F says he had some experience. I haven't really had anything before, like a starter for trade. Right. So the one advice, like I give to everyone now, it might be very repetitive because Russ has heard me saying this like multiple times. But what I will say is do your personality test.
I've literally just said this earlier on.
You did?
I've
Oh,
literally
perfect.
I've literally done the elevated pitch.
Oh, you did?
We should maybe invent one, right?
Yeah. But anyway, let's
go on,
answer,
say it
let's
again,
answer
because
his
these are new,
question.
maybe
Yeah.
new people on. Go on.
So F, do a personality test, and then you would, but once you get the results, put that into ChatGPT or some AI and ask what trading style suits me the best.
Oh, I got it wrong completely.
Okay. If let's just say your personality style is more catered towards becoming a swing trader, then you should start learning swing trading from mentors who can teach you swing trading. And if it's day trading, then you can start looking into getting mentorship for day trading. That's the shortest shortcut ever to get to profitability. Now we at Educated Trade, we do day trading and we do swing trading as well, and we do intra-session trading. So we cater to anyone and everyone.
And we're going to be starting to teach options soon, aren't we?
Oh yeah, well
In the new
potentially
year, 'cause we're
futures
doing
and
the-
options, yes.
Yeah, because we're doing the level 7 diploma for next year. So part of that is options trading, right?
So E92.mfr says I'm halfway through baby pips. Anything else you recommend to use? There's multiple places that you can learn from. The one that I would recommend, not being biased, you can go to our YouTube because we post quite a lot of macroeconomics related stuff.
Yeah, that's fundamental stuff. But as far as technicals, I think he's talking about technicals. I mean, there's lots of people, there's lots of places to get free education out there.
Yeah.
But like I said before, like we said before, mentorship is really the only way to kind of shortcut that journey.
Yeah. Well,
But like I said, if you're close, reach out to us. You can come and join this grad scheme, but obviously we'll have to discuss whether it's a good fit for your lifestyle, because it's going to be a full-time thing, right?
yeah.
We're going to expect these guys here at least 4 days, 3 days, 4 days a week, right?
Yeah, well, we have quite a lot of questions to answer. So Raymond says he can teach the easiest swing trading strategy. Hop on the live, bro. Teach everyone together. Hop on the live. You should schedule something with Russ and teach swing trading. Amethyst, hello SNLA, good to see you again. So she and F ask, where should I go for a test to see what might suit me? Just any really. Like if I were to Google right now, just do the top one. Hold on a sec. Let me just give you a website. Just make your life a little easier. Hold on a sec.
What was the question? Where should I go for the test? Oh, okay, right.
Yeah, so yeah, there's plenty. There's literally so many.
We are in Bromley South. Where are you cooking?
So there's one called 16 Personalities. I think that's the one that I took. So www.16personalities.com.
Let's have a look
And what would you both say was the best education tool? Now the tool for me personally was understanding how the markets, what the markets react to, which is GDP, NFP, CPI, all the good stuff. So learning economics is what I would say, because I did do a degree, but they never really taught me how to use that to make money until I joined Educated Trade. Again, not being biased, but I did.
16 personalities sounds like my ex-wife. No, this is not the first time he's mentioned a wife's
wives.
trading.
I think there's a lot of emotion attached with you and girls, Raymond. What's going on there?
Did you break up because of your trading? Because that's what you said earlier on. So we've turned from a trading thing now into maybe a counselling session.
Yeah, and to be fair, Russell is a really good counsellor, because he's been asking me to hop on those dating sites since forever now.
Yeah, I think you should do that. Like you've got all the infrastructure around you, mate. Look, we've got like 3 cameras here. Even though we just use one for these live streams because that's just too much. You know.
Belly says he's an INFJ. Just
coming
put
back,
that into
Enzo?
ChatGPT and ask what's the best trading style for me. And Raymond says no, she was bored. Sorry, I missed the website. www.16personalities.com.
Let me write it down.
But you will always get the spelling wrong. So
no, I wouldn't actually be able to write it down because you can't do that anyway. So it's be.
Yeah, he can't.
16.
Do you want me to write down? Because there you go. Look at you getting it all wrong.
There you go. That's how you spell it. What are you talking about?
let me type it. Please do not misguide our people.
No, that's a legitimate website right there. What are you talking about? I don't think you can, it won't send. It won't set. Oh my god, it did. Look at that.
Because I put the spaces right.
Interesting.
So. Anyway, I'm off. Thank you so very much. Thank you. And
yeah, we're gonna get Enzo back in, and we can have a look. It is good to start at a young age, but please be aware that you will not be allowed to trade live until you're 18, because it's still classed as a form of gambling. But you know.
What? No, it's not gambling.
So you know you can definitely do demo accounts and be ready and poised for when you are 18, and we wouldn't encourage you to do any trading until you are of legal age.
Legal age.
So how much to learn? Well, as in from us, might be better off giving us a message. Where are you e-cooking? What area you're in? Because we have some exciting things coming up, so we can discuss that with you. Raymond's saying it's not gambling, it's highly manipulated. It is gambling.
Hold on a minute though. We use these terms, right?
Right.
Could someone actually define what gambling is?
Okay, I could answer this.
Good.
When you go into a casino,
Yes.
who's gambling?
Are you answering it or asking me?
I'm asking you. I know you know the answer to this, but
okay.
when I go into a casino, okay, actually let's ask the guys here. When I walk into a casino, who is gambling? So let's give them a few minutes. No one will answer, but still, then I can ask you. Unless you say pineapples. So pineapples.
I'd rather squeal the pig.
Do you have charts in the casino? The one with the money. Okay, so I put it to you guys. When I walk into a casino and take a bet, I am gambling, but so is the casino gambling, because the casino is also at risk of losing. But what makes a casino win consistently is because they have a system that makes them win consistently, but it's still gambling. In trading, it's exactly the same concept, correct? We have a system, well, we should have a system that makes us win more than we lose, right? Not times, just the amount over time, which is what casinos do. It's all factored in. It's all, by mathematicians. Hence why hence why when you look at a roulette wheel, it's got that green 0 on there. So if you were just to go in and just to bet on red or black, a lot of people would say it's 50-50, but it's not, because they've got the green 0. So that puts that wheel in the favour of the casino. Not over 10 bets, not over 100 bets, but you know, if you went in there, you know, and everyone goes in there and bets 100,000 times, you know, that green 0 will play out that edge, and that is the edge for the casino, just on that simple red or black trade on the wheel. So that's exactly what we're doing here. We are trying to be like a casino, so we are still gambling. That was a long point just to say that we're gambling, right?
Okay.
Go on. What are you going to add to that?
Maybe there's a difference between the type of gambling.
Okay.
Because I suppose if you, again, it's coming back to what. Let's give a definition of. If we give a definition of what gambling is,
Yeah.
then we can start. Maybe we can be a little bit. We can expand on those concepts which are good. What you're
Okay.
saying, which can help to kind of further clarify. Because I think there's gambling with a little g and there's gambling with a big G.
Right. Okay.
And so I think there's something to be said about that.
So what would be the difference between a big G and a little G? Cardboard box.
So if some people would define gambling as just taking a risk.
Okay.
So in that sense, maybe entrepreneurs in business are also gambling because they're taking risks. Yeah, where things are uncertain.
Crossing the road, you're gambling.
Yeah. So, but maybe there's a type of risk taking that is wise, informed, and healthy.
Yeah.
And then there's a type of risk taking that is reckless, uninformed, and dangerous.
Okay.
And whilst both the casino and the punter, maybe with the exception actually of professional gamblers, because I think professional gamblers like professional poker players, blackjack players,
but they have more of a system, right?
exactly, yeah.
But I think when
You've never heard of a professional roulette player, funnily enough, or a professional.
No, but I think these professional poker players and stuff, they're good poker players, but where their main skills are is psychology,
Yeah.
and being able to read people,
Right.
and maybe even doing some sort of like quick sort of like ratios and analysis of the cards that have already been out.
Statistics, right?
That's what I was working out.
Yeah.
But I think mainly that they read people, and it's kind of a mind game when you're playing.
Yeah, I
poker,
think you're
isn't
right.
it?
But I think, funnily enough, though, I think a lot of that comes into trading as well, because we say, don't we, that so much of we believe that, although a lot of traders won't say this, we believe that mindset does matter a lot.
Yes.
Because when you think of the mistakes traders make, a lot of them aren't. They're mindset mistakes, aren't they? The things they do, they didn't really mean to do them, right?
Of course.
So I think there's when we use the term, we can mean different things, and I think that's interesting as well, because it means that someone can approach trading with a big G,
Yeah.
or can approach trading with a little G
Yeah.
type style.
But you see that all the time. People that like to risk big, and people that like to risk small, right?
Yeah.
Unfortunately, it seems that the people that risk big tend to blow up, right?
Eventually, yeah. I think there are traders who know how to risk big, but do it in a way that's reasonably sensible, and then there's others who do it in a way that they're really asking. I mean, they're really testing.
Yeah. Well, it all comes down to risk management,
Yeah.
right? I mean, fundamentally, that's what it all comes down to.
Yeah.
If you have a clear-cut risk management system, then that you are on the first road to actually conquering the charts, and really being profitable in trading is actually just beating, say, an asset like the S&P, right?
Yeah. Well, I think if you've done that,
Which is 8% a year, correct?
yeah. I think that's after inflation. That's about right.
Yeah, because you were saying I saw this article about the the money printing machine, which was yeah, if you are not creating more than 8% a year with your capital, then really all you're not actually making money because you're just keeping up, you know. So, and you were saying the other day about most hedge funds and stuff like that. You were telling me a fact about how much they make. What was it again? Or what was that whole fact again?
Yeah, I mean, a hedge fund that is a winning hedge fund, as in, sorry, a hedge fund that's making money, their average seems to be around 5 or 6% a year.
Okay.
The best performing ones that we know about post returns of, 30 and 40%.
Okay.
They'd be considered some of the best performers in the world.
Okay.
But I think, to be fair to the hedge fund industry, though, and I'm no expert on it, but a lot of sophisticated investors will put their money in hedge funds to diversify from an S&P 500 long-term investment.
Of course.
Because the hedge fund returns aren't meant to be correlated with the S&P.
No.
So then, let's say you're an investor that's got, I don't know, 10 million in the S&P, and the S&P underperforms on a year. The money the hedge fund made you that year compensates for that loss on the year of the S&P, in theory. So it's not that those 5 or 6% returns are to be like scorned at, if you know what I'm saying.
So Raymond is saying, if you don't double your account in a year, you should give up. What would you?
Player refreshing.
What would you say to Raymond about?
Well, I've
Player
never done.
refreshing.
I've
Player
never.
refresh.
I should give up then because I've never done. I've never. Hold on, have I doubled my account in a year?
Depends.
Okay, I have, but only 1 year I did it,
But it kind
and
of.
I was lucky. But most of the time, did I? I did for a quarter, but then it ended up at 40%. I think by the end of the year.
Okay, cool. Right. So this is actually a great segue into doing. Get your calculator out.
All right, in terms of compounding.
Yeah. Get your calculator out because remember what you were doing the other day. So if you were to double your account every year, right, and we start off with how much?
Whatever you choose, really.
£1.
What, really? £1?
£1.
Okay. Yeah, I mean.
Okay, let's start off with £1,000.
1,000.
Okay, so 1,000. 2 years times that by 2. That's 2,000. 3 years times that by 2. 4,000. 4 years. 5 years. 5 years, 16 grand. 6 years, 32. 7 years, 64. 8 years, 128. 9 years, 256. 10 years, 512. 1,000. And then we are at 9 years, over 1 million.
Yeah, from 1,000. Yeah.
Yeah, so then carry on going. 10 years, 2 million. 11 years, 4 million. 12 years, 8 million. Last one. 13 years, 16 million. And yeah, so.
And if you divide that by 1,000, you've actually increased your money by 16,384%.
Which is probably not going to happen in the real world, right?
I've heard of some unicorns that have done it, but generally no.
Okay.
I think people. I think it was Einstein. Albert Einstein was the one who was reported as saying, "Nothing is as powerful as compound interest." But
so Raymond's saying he started his account 2 months ago with £250, and now he's on almost 2k.
Okay. My guess is he's been using some aggressive leverage.
Okay.
I never want to say these things are not possible. I'm sure he's done that. The question always is, can you do it in a way that you can sustain it? Now there are definitely verified cases of people who've taken, a relatively small amount of money and turned it into an absolute fortune. Usually not in a very short period of time, but over quite a number of years. So I don't want to pour water on people's fire, but what I've seen in like most cases is people who are, for example, doing hundreds of % in very short periods of time.
Yeah.
usually they're over level. Usually, I'm not saying this is the case here because I don't know. But
Well, you can put it out to him. You can ask him what his risk.
Usually, they're risking way too much per trade, and then what can tend to happen is they get a massive. The account can really grow quickly, and then you sometimes will hear that in a day or two, the whole account has been lost. And that's not. We don't want that for you. And I'm not saying that's what you're doing. But
what sort of risk to reward ratio? How do you manage risk, Raymond? We'll see. We'll see how he manages his risk. He might just be a very good trader, right?
Yeah, like I've seen. I mean, I was watching a guy yesterday, Larry Williams.
Oh, yeah, Larry Williams. Yeah.
I mean, the government had to audit his accounts, and I mean, he did 11,000%. But I mean, I don't know. I mean, he's just on another level with how I don't know. I mean, maybe there's some guys that can do it. You never really want to. I don't want to be a kind of naysayer and tell people what's possible and not possible in trading.
Yeah.
But I do think we need to be sensible as well.
No, of course.
And it's a difficult one because maybe there are some people who've got the ability to do it. Maybe. But the majority who go at that speed tend to blow up. So I think we have to be careful. And statistically, when you think about all the people doing it, it's likely there's going to be a few that make it, right? Just
okay, yeah. So he says, so let's say I risk £50. My stop loss is under the 15-minute support or the 15-minute resistance.
Okay.
Then I make 8x, 9x, or 10x.
Got you. But you're risking £50 a trade, and you started with two. Did you start? Were you risking £50 when you started with 250?
That's
because you're risking. If that was the case, you were risking 20% of your account. I mean, look. Let's give an example.
So that is risky, yeah. So that's risking 20%.
Right.
So
but let's give an example. You can get away with it. So we're up nearly £800, right?
Right.
We started with 20,000.
Right.
If we had started with £1,000,
yeah,
and got a 500x leverage account,
yeah,
we could have done 20% a trade.
Okay.
Or 10 or 1 or whatever percent a trade, and we would have actually, based on what we've currently done, we would have got away with it. But just because you get away with it, and so we would have currently been sitting on an 80% return. It's pretty good, right, for the couple small. But obviously we're measuring it against.
That's what he got, the 500x.
The what? Sorry.
So Raymond, the question to you is, what's your strike rate of winning to losing trades, and when was the last time that you lost 10 trades in a row? And those are the important questions.
When did you start this one?
And will your account sustain?
Yeah, you have to.
So win rate, and when was the last time you lost 10 trades in a row? He says he likes to get out early if it doesn't go his way.
Okay.
So you wouldn't say that you had a fixed risk to reward ratio then? Right, so let's actually look at what Enzo's doing. Right, so at the moment, what are you looking at, Enzo? Is this a trade that we're already in, the USD CAD?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go in to see how things are going. So that's taking a bit of profit, and the you done a FTSE trade, did you?
Mm-hmm.
Interesting. What was it that you saw on the FTSE trade to make you go into that move?
Let's ask you, Russell.
Put me on the spot again, are we?
So, do we have a?
Hang on, I need to get the screen up for these guys. Right, so
Is the trend up or down, Russell?
I don't know.
How do we know if the trend's up?
Is this chart upside down? Yeah, so we're definitely in an uptrend, and you're just playing. You know, you've obviously there's been a retracement, and now you're playing the
a potential pullback.
Yeah.
And looking to catch maybe a trend, you know, an impulsive, larger trend move to the upside, maybe.
Yep. And I suppose a secondary confirmation is that it's come back down to sort of a level there, right?
Yeah.
I mean, it could still kind of sweep that level and come back out, but you know, I mean, this is all part of your plan, right?
Yeah.
Minimize your risk and maximize your gains, and then over time, your account size will grow, and then with compound interest, that will start to grow exponentially, right?
Yes. We one of the things is always trying to get the because with the stop loss, it's like, remember Goldilocks and the Three Bears?
Yeah, to get it just right.
Not too hot, not too cold,
Yeah.
just right. And if you do go, obviously this could naturally hit stop and then go or carry on down, but
Yep.
if you don't, I'll put it below these two kind of pullback resistance levels.
Okay.
Because you never know whether, this could be the start of a big reversal in the FTSE. You don't, it's unlikely, but that's how it is, It's like,
Of course.
that's it. So yeah, it's basically a pullback setup, and I like you to double check what I'm doing, because then it confirms it's not just me seeing things,
Well, it definitely looks like it's going up.
It's had a lovely move up, hasn't it, for the last going back now to at least the 23rd of October and before. See that lovely just bouncing off this 100 period all the way. Look at that. Yeah, that would have been a nice buy there, wouldn't it, Russell?
Huh?
So that would have been a nice place to buy here. On that pullback there.
Yeah, that would have been.
But would have, could have, should have.
Woulda, coulda, shoulda.
And the dollar CAD is still making its way down.
Just checking out all the other socials at the moment, making sure that I haven't missed any messages on those. Right, so GBPUSD. Is that you're asking us to have a look at it? You're saying that there might be a trading idea on that. Why don't we have a look at that? GBPUSD.
What's the
dollar pound? What's that saying?
What's the traders' time frame, style, thesis? Do they have a?
Yeah. Well, why don't you tell us what time frame that you're looking at, or what you're looking at? I think he's saying that he bought the low.
Okay. On any particular time frame, or?
On it. Well, I mean, I'm guessing it's just this low happening right now, right?
Yeah, but I'm wondering what his time frame is.
Oh yeah, what time frame were you using to look at the low there?
If anything, or is there any particular target or fees, holding period, I suppose?
So we have a lovely comment here.
Not.
No, it's a really nice comment. There's absolutely no way that we're making money. Well, I mean, I am, because I literally get paid to do these streams, so I'm actually making money, and I'm in a soybean trade at the moment, so that's making money.
The person who said that can go back over all the streams, because all our trades were taken live in real time. They're all stamped on YouTube, so you can prove or disprove for yourself whether.
I don't think you could say YouTube. Now I've
can't even say it.
No, because we're on TikTok.
No.
They don't like that. Now he said it twice.
It's like a nanny state.
Well, I mean, it is. Yeah. Well, where's TikTok?
No, I
from?
mean, what I'm saying is, because we've executed all our trades live.
Yeah.
the stamps on the internet.
So what percent are we up?
Nearly 4% now.
That's probably not good enough.
Oh, maybe not.
We should be at least 100%,
100%
up, you know.
Yeah, but the thing is, we could be down as well, and it still wouldn't.
We was down at some point.
We had
So
a
he
bit of
was
a-
right then. If he'd come, like, what, about 4 weeks ago,
Yeah,
5 weeks ago, and he'd made that comment, then he
Yeah.
would have actually been right.
yeah,
So, right comment, wrong week. Maybe come back in a few more weeks and that comment might be valid.
yeah,
We might not be making money. We might be losing all our money, right?
yeah. And I think that you need.
Giving it back.
Yeah, but what's the how long does the game last for? Because like they say, it's not over till the fat lady sings.
It's not over till you're dead, right?
Right. So
So you probably need to be up before you die.
even with being having some upside on the account, it's still early days in the overall game. I mean, really, you should measure your returns over. Well, even if you measure your returns over a year, that's still going to happen in the context of your career over many years, right?
Of course, yeah.
So that's how it rolls.
Of course. See, someone's asking, are we in any pound yen trades? We're
No,
not.
it's interesting though, because I was
looking at that?
I was looking at it, and I didn't take it because the structure of for me anyway, the structure of the risk reward on it wasn't how I wanted it to be. But I did shortlist it.
Well, that's interesting. You put your strategy and your risk to reward before everything, right?
I think
You
it's
don't just take the trade just because it looks like it could be a
Yeah.
trade.
yeah.
He said he's in that trade.
Is he short? Out of interest.
Raymond's let us know what you. I got in at 201.106 long, so he's in a long.
Okay, it's
position.
long. Yeah. We had one of these similar ones come up before, and I'll be honest, I haven't taken it, but I would be looking to short this myself.
What now?
Not necessarily right now, but I might want to see some price action showing some downside momentum.
Okay.
But if I was gonna take this, I might. Well, actually, yeah, it's a little bit of a discretionary preference, but it's totally within my remit to be able to. In fact, I could actually. I have one setup that I would take this short. I also have another setup I could take it long. Actually, but yeah, it's true because
Flip a coin.
well, that's what a trade is.
Should we do it? Should we flip a coin
Yeah, but,
and take a?
but actually, a better short for me is the pound Swiss franc,
Okay.
which is this one. I'd probably prefer to short the pound Swiss franc. I think that's more tidy. But the truth is, you have to stick with your method.
Okay.
And so if his method says to go long.
Oh, we have someone here from Nairobi. Hello from the UK to Nairobi. I bet it's lovely out there. A lot better weather than we're having here, right? Someone said he's short. Interesting.
Short what?
Pound yen.
Okay, interesting.
Because one guy's long lap pound yen and one guy's short pound yen.
Yeah,
Maybe we should do a pound yen trade.
yeah.
What do you think?
but
Should we flip a coin and take the trade?
no, I'm not feeling to do it right now.
Okay.
But that's just I've got 2 trades on. So.
Someone's asking us to have a look at nickel. Oh yeah, I actually heard about this.
I haven't got access to nickel on my.
You haven't got access to
Not
nickel.
to nickel, no, I don't think so.
Yeah, so somebody they were talking about this, that it's an absolutely mental kind of like levels now, nickel.
Has it been really rallying? Has it?
I think so, yeah. Have you looked at the Nikkei?
You mean the Nikkei?
Nikkei.
As in the Japanese index?
Yeah,
or?
the Japanese index, yeah.
Or you mean nickel, the
No.
commodity?
Oh, hang on.
I thought you said nickel, the.
Oh no, hang on. I think nickel. Oh no, it did mean the Nikkei.
All right, okay. So.
I definitely heard about they were banging on about some precious metal on Bloomberg to say that it's going absolutely mad. I know silver's about to go ballistic.
It has been though. It's been in a
Yeah,
massive trend for
I
a
think
long
it's-
time, hasn't
yeah.
it?
and it's quite closely tied to gold as well.
Yeah, yeah.
We were looking at some correlations between gold and silver, and there's actually like a little strategy that Chris was saying that you can use.
Oh, yeah, I think I saw
You
something
can
about that.
use like gold as like a leader at certain times. So if gold goes up, then you'd know silver would go up, but only under certain conditions, not just the fact that gold's going up. You know. So he was that was in one of our podcasts that you would find on other channels, unmentionable channels that I can't talk about on this platform. So someone said he's going to swing this yen, pound yen, all the way up to the top. So,
Okay.
how long have you been in that trade, Raymond? Did you take it? Oh, sorry, he actually told us, didn't he? So, Tom,
Hello.
why don't you come and sit down and speak to the people for a few minutes? No, Tom. Tom. No.
Oh, you're
no,
leaving? Where are
I'm
you
leaving.
going?
I got things to do, mate.
Oh, really?
Well, I just want to get some. I just want to get a drink.
Oh, okay.
Entertain the people. Yeah.
Hello, everyone.
So, Tom,
Hello.
what would you like to let them know how you've been developing and learning over the last? How long you been here now?
3 months, I think. 3 months.
Oh. You're
Yeah.
one of our
I'm one of the.
prestigious graduates. Are you
I
not?
wouldn't say prestigious. No.
No, come on, don't. None of this.
No,
false,
I'm not. I'm probably. I have learnt a lot. Yes.
None of this false modesty, Tom. You know.
Hello, mate. Nice to meet you. How are you, Raymond?
Raymond's been sharing. All right, you wanna? Okay.
So, Raymond, where are you from? Good. Good.
What's been
Oh,
some of
lovely.
you? Are you in conversation with?
Yeah, mate.
All right, okay. I'll let you.
How's your trades coming along then, Enzo?
We're in 2 trades at the moment.
What part of the UK do you reside? Yeah, let's go for reside. What part of the UK do you live in?
Yeah, right.
Oh wow, Northampton. It's quite the distance, it seems. How long would you say the drive is from London to Northampton?
It's
Enzo?
probably about a good
2
2
hours?
hours. Yeah.
Yeah, 2 hours.
Pretty
Probably
much,
2
yeah.
hours. Especially from South East London.
Yeah.
2 hours. Oh god,
fair
I've never driven for more than an hour. More than 2 hours.
To answer your question, Tom, we are short the dollar CAD.
Why have we shot a dollar CAD? This is part of your analysis.
Yeah, it was pretty much a larger downtrend in the overall scheme of things,
Splendid.
and then we faded this very bullish move here.
Okay, so you've shorted the dollar CAD,
Correct.
and we are up by £50.
Oh,
That's enough money to probably take us out to a nice dinner
yeah,
somewhere in Bromley.
we've got a target.
Where's your TP at?
The line you see at the bottom,
Down there.
3 to 1,
So if that were to hit, how much would you make?
300.
Crikey, £300. How much have you risked? You've
100.
risked £100. So
It's a risk reward system of 1 to 3. Yeah. And this was done on a 15-minute chart, so this probably, if it was to hit target, it could take a day or two,
a day or two.
maybe. We don't know. Never really sure. Don't know.
That is nice money. £300.
This
That's probably a nice dinner uptown in London.
and then we're also along the FTSE here. Same situation.
Before we get your shopping, weekly shopping done. Oh, you've done the FTSE as well. Have you shorted or longed it?
So we're long.
You've longed the FTSE.
Same
Your-
principle. Targets at 3.
Lovely, lovely. It is nice money. So if you were to hit TP right now, how much would that one make?
Same.
So 600 quid in total. That.
But you know what's more important with that, Tom?
Not about the money.
It's to zoom out and see the bigger picture.
Exactly.
So
Said that before.
If I was to take 100 of these trades, risking 100 to make 300, how many could I lose before I actually started losing money out of 100?
I don't know actually.
Okay, the answer's 76.
I don't know maths.
So it's a lot of losses.
To answer your question, Raymond, we did not trade today. It's been a quiet.
Everyone's saying it on there. It's been an awful week.
It has been quite a very bad week. I'm trying my best not to use profanity, otherwise Russell might chop me off. But yeah, so we haven't traded much. I was in a trade earlier today on Alphabet, got stopped out of that. But hey, you can't win them all. You can't win them all. Otherwise, I'll probably be somewhere in New York or Dubai. You're taking a position on the pound yen. Can you read the comment section from here?
I can't. I rely on your eyes there, Tom.
I'm taking pound yen down to 50% retracement of the range and the full 100% with the other position.
Someone was long pound yen and someone else is short, is that right? Is he saying short pound yen?
I think.
No, you're so quick, Tom.
Both are, one's short and one is long.
Oh.
Raymond's long. Future Dwellings is shorting it.
Okay, yeah. Interesting.
What's the?
That's how it works in the market. Traders with different opinions. Someone's got to pay
Hell
the
yeah.
other.
Yep. What makes you, Raymond? What made you long it, and Future? What made you short it? Please check the Nikkei. The Japanese yen index.
Yeah, it's the Japan 225.
Yeah. On the weekly time frame.
Wow. There you go. And that's what you call a mega trend. Going back to back to as far back as my chart goes.
Yeah, that's quite a massive.
Look how long that's been present though.
That's like 12 years.
12 years ago.
Yeah.
I would have been. I don't know how old I would have been, but I would have been
In my double digits.
Wow. 51,000. Yeah. And generally the stock in markets, like if you look at the S&P, you'll see the same thing. They're on the lot higher time frames. They've been in uptrends for decades and decades. Although actually, I don't know if you know this, but in the 90s, the Nikkei lost 90% of its value.
I think, is that because of that day trading legend?
No,
BNF?
No, it wasn't. You mean Bearings?
Was it Bearing? I can't remember because I read something.
No, he brought down the bank, but yeah, I suppose it happened during that time, but at a larger level, it wasn't that.
More institutional more than a retail level.
It was Bearings Bank that he brought down. You took because he was long the Nikkei. But the Japanese stock market did lose 80-90% of its value.
Bloody hell! In a decade.
Yeah. And there was a well-known trader called Jim Rogers, who in the late 80s called it and actually had a massive short position in the Nikkei and profited back massively.
You won't be able to see my screen, But I am going to go on. Why is TradingView not on this computer? TradingView is an American British company. It's going down. Okay. Alright, now we're on. So you want me to type in yen basket? I think I'm plugging out a bit. Alright. Who's still on? Quite a few people are still on the stream, that's quite good.
That's the trading pets. And here's the mighty Russell back for the conclusion. Is that right?
That's like an interview, Mark.
We did look at the Nikkei, and it has been in a mega trend for the last decade and beyond. But at the moment, massive bullish
Every
move.
yen pair is up. Euro yen, dollar yen, Australian yen.
That's because of the new prime minister.
But
right?
not just that. In the last couple of weeks, it's had a massive upsurge.
Okay.
Like very bullish.
But that's
Yeah, but that's probably due to the change of government there, right?
Okay. Yeah. But there's been obviously within its own.
Yeah, I mean, every yen pair it's up. I heard the French economy is doing really well as well.
CAC. Why are you laughing? It's called the CAC.
I know, but I've heard the French the projected numbers are pretty good. Yeah. So maybe it's time to invest in France.
To buy the CAC.
Buy the CAC and sell the.
Since you've been gone, apparently we have one person who was long the pound yen and one person who was short the pound yen.
That's old news, mate.
Is it?
That was before I was gone.
Is that me not to get in, right?
that's been happening. Like that's been happening.
And
what is this weird line here? It's a very strange line going on here. Oh, is that your? Oh, that's your iPad thing. Right. Okay. So let's review the positions that we're in. I think. So we are in two positions. We are in the FTSE, which is currently up a tiny bit, and we are in a sell on USD CAD, which is hopefully working its way down. Yeah, because we're due like a
no hope.
a little to no hope.
I don't believe in hope in trading. I believe in process.
In process.
And then let the
trust in the process.
Let the when I came in the office today, trader said I'm hoping that no hope. No hope.
There's no hope.
There's hope in the sense of
there's slim to no hope.
There's hope at the macro level, but at the micro level, don't hope for nothing. Just execute the trade, follow your plan, next trade, do it again. Win or lose, you've got to come back the next day and do the same thing anyway. What difference does it make? Because then you get attached to it, Russell. When you get attached to it, it's not good.
Okay, someone's saying he's 1k up on his pound yen short.
Wow.
So why don't we bring that chart up, Enzo?
Pound yen. It hasn't moved down. It's actually been going up. It hasn't moved down recently anyway. It hasn't moved down that much. Look. So for the last, unless he's just caught that, yeah, he's caught that. Those last, what was that? The last 10 minutes, pretty much. You've got a bit of a bearish move within that.
Oh, this. Oh, right. Yeah, it does say it's short. Yeah.
Yeah.
No, maybe he's.
Or maybe, yeah.
Maybe he's gone But mind you, why would he have? He would have sold out right before it started coming up like that. Yeah? That's a what time frame is this?
This is a 10-minute chart.
10-minute chart.
Yeah, but I was looking at it on the 15-minute, and it's still quite crisp there as well.
Okay, so no other.
Yeah, from a technical point.
Oh no, in the last 10 minutes he's.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Yeah. But I think from a technical point of view, the reason this would be technically you would take this as a short is it's known as a break and retest.
Okay.
So can you see if I just brought this here? I'll show you. So can you see how the yen has broke?
Yeah.
That low there.
Yeah.
And then it's had a massive move down, and then it's come back to test that level of breakage. And sometimes these break and retest they play out quite nice.
Okay.
Because the market, that's why they call break and retest, because they break, they retest, and then they go again.
Okay.
And that's that was my thinking around. What's this?
It's a microphone, isn't it?
Does it work?
No.
Am I clearer today? You put it near, you know.
Yeah, I don't know. I wouldn't know, but I was just saying I was watching one of these back briefly, just because it come up on my phone, and I couldn't really hear you. So
okay,
which is weird because I can generally always hear you wherever you are in the office.
Yeah, you think I'm disruptive, isn't it? Disruptive.
So this microphone is basically to clip a microphone into.
Okay.
So because we're going to go and walk around the streets of London tomorrow, interviewing people.
Oh, are you?
Yeah.
Wow.
With my new gimbal as well. So if you are out on the streets of London tomorrow and you see two guys interviewing people, that could be us. So please stop for an interview. He's done it as it swept the 4-hour liquidity, printed a 4-hour plus candle, and aiming for the 50% retracement. Let's have a look at that on the 4-hour chart. Let's see what he's saying. Is that a 4-hour chart? It's not though, is it?
Yeah, it is.
Oh, it is? Okay.
That's a 4-hour.
So he's swept the 4-hour liquidity. Did he say he was in a short or a long?
Well, you said you already knew.
No, this is somebody new.
Is this Future Dweller?
No. Yes.
He was short.
Okay.
Future Dweller was short, and I think Raymond was long.
Oh, so this must... No, we need to go back further, don't we?
How far you bet you want to go?
Well, I don't know, because where's it swept? I can't see where it swept anything.
Swept the kitchen.
Unless it's further back and we can't see.
Well, how far back do you want to go? It goes back to July. Like half a year.
Maybe April.
Well, we could on if you want to move to the daily.
Your chart hasn't printed a 4-hour candle. Oh, okay, right, fair
It's back
enough.
to that timing thing, isn't it?
Oh, yeah.
uses
we
a
had this the
different,
other day, yeah, actually, yeah.
But our chart, these charts are plugged into GMT or UTC time, Universal Coordinate Time, I think, or GMT. So, 4-hour candle prints at 12 a.m. to 4 a.m. and then 4 hours consecutively into the 24-hour cycle.
Yeah.
Exactly.
So what time does your chart say it is now then?
Dinner time. Hey, where's it? What's the time, Mr. Wolf? Because the wolves of
Dinner
we got
time.
the wolf. We got the wolf of Northampton.
The Wolf of Northampton.
And we got the puppies of Bromley here. The puppy of Bromley.
And the pig of where?
The pig of shit. Oh, God, it's a comedy show. Oh gosh.
Oh, Raymond went long on oil.
Oh,
hopefully that's...
Raymond's a busy boy, isn't he?
Yeah, he's taking a lot of trades.
Let's just hope it don't tank.
I've already said that joke. I'm not sure you can say the joke again in one stream.
Okay, I'm sorry.
I think we're only allowed to say that joke once in every stream.
I need a lot of training in this entertainment game.
Who was that? Who was that guy that recently got oh my god, I can't remember his name. With all the got found with all the baby oil. P Diddy, that's it.
You have to talk about that.
I think so.
Sean Combs.
Did you short the Diddy oil?
I thought you'd have gone longer with that oil.
No, yeah, long the Diddy oil.
I thought that oil was meant to make you long. No?
Oh yeah, okay.
Could it be a false breakout?
I'm longing. He's longing the Diddy oil. Hopefully not on a false breakout.
Yeah.
Is he in prison now?
Yeah, still.
He is, isn't he? Jesus. What was with all that oil? This oil is going up. Okay, well let's hope that pans out for you. Oil is a very strange asset at the moment. You know,
It's not the most smoothest of assets to trade, especially in the short term.
yeah.
But I like trading it sometimes when I get the chance, you know.
Someone said I'm new here. What's all that setup you got back there? Oh right, so Sebastian, this is a trading floor in Bromley South. So all the stuff that you can see behind me is not the back room of Curry's. It's actually a trading floor. So we're doing a live trading session here. Currently, we are in two positions. I'll show you them. There are the two positions, which would be the FTSE and the USD CAD. So that's the US dollar and the Canadian dollar Forex pair. And they are both currently a little bit up.
About a point up in open profits.
Would you say that's a little bit? Because what's your target profit? 600? Is it?
What,
Or
on each? No.
300?
On each.
Oh yeah, it's 300 of course, 1 to 3, right? Okay, so we're
At the systematic level,
we're a quarter of the way there, nearly. Not really. No, a quarter would be. God, my maths is.
You can see from the chart where we're related to the target.
Okay, well, yeah, we are a long way off. But we'll probably have to.
Long road.
We'll probably have to let that marinade off session, off stream. So fingers crossed for us. If we hit take profit on both of those trades,
Maybe.
where would put that account? Where would that put our account? Although we've been doomed, because you remember the guy said we don't make any money, so we're probably going to lose both of them to make sure that he's right.
Maybe.
I think that would be fair, wouldn't it? Yeah. It would be bad of us to actually win some trades when somebody said we never make any money, right? So where would that put our account?
Nearly 6%.
6% up.
Currently just over 4% up. Well, in current value, we shut everything down now. We're at over 4%, 4.5%.
Okay.
What's the equity value? It's 864.
I mean, and now as well, obviously, do you feel like, look, honestly, Enzo, do you feel like now trading at these times because of the New York open time changing, do you think it's helping you?
No, it doesn't make. I don't think it makes that much difference to me, really.
Okay. Because I was thinking if that's the case, then maybe we could move the stream.
No, it doesn't make a major difference.
Okay.
And the challenge can be not much difference.
Okay. So guys, if you've just joined us or you haven't already, feel free to join our free Telegram group. That will be in the bio. And on that group, you will get information about trade ideas. You will get daily markups from our top financial analyst, who would be Sinu. He was live trading yesterday. Got absolutely smashed on gold yesterday. Absolutely smashed on gold.
What do you mean by you got smashed?
lost 2 gold trades. I mean, it's not really smashed, is it? But yeah.
Risk managed or it went over the?
No, it's obviously all risk managed.
Okay.
Yeah.
So 2 trades. I mean.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, it was only 2 trades, but it was just like just 2 in a row, mate. Just like, see you later.
Well, we've had,
No, I know that, but these were like very fast.
Oh, back to back.
Yeah, they were literally just like
Yeah.
he took the trade and it just like
Boom.
it just went.
It's scalping though, isn't it? It's very
Yeah.
challenging way to trade. Scalping can be.
Yeah. So, but it would actually be interesting to look at the gold chart to see if it actually done all of that and then went back to where he said he was wanting to actually trade from. So I think he might have. I don't know whether he might have pushed the trade a bit just because we were on the live stream.
Yeah, it's hard to do it, especially when you want to.
Yeah, that's what you say. It's difficult when you're actually on a live stream because it kind of forces you to actually maybe take trades that you wouldn't have taken. You know.
I think what I try to do is trade here the way I would trade if I wasn't here.
Okay.
And I know maybe for some it's not the most.
Oh, Raymond's going now. Okay, Raymond. Well, listen, it was a lovely chat, and I hope that oil trade goes well for you and the other trade that you were in. Yeah, you have a good day too, and take care. We're finishing now anyway, so you're only going to miss the last 4 minutes, and that's me just squeezing this pig repeatedly for 4 minutes. Is how we like to play it out, right? So you're going to miss the pig squeezing, and then so shouting pineapples. Leverage guys, which you using? That was the question. Leverage guys, which you using?
So
I'm guessing he's asking what leverage we're using.
Yeah, it can vary from position to position.
See you later, Raymond.
But we're always keeping our risk quite similar.
Okay.
So, for example, on dollar CAD, let me just check.
Are you using leverage?
Yeah, we are.
Okay.
Yeah. We're using leverage. Not in a crazy way though.
Yeah, because normally when people talk about leverage, it's like over leverage, isn't it?
Let's have a look. I'll tell you now what we're using. So, because I could do it from mine here. Okay, so we shorted 40 grand's worth of the dollar against the CAD, so that's leverage of 2 to 1 on CAD. Okay, leverage of 2 to 1. If we was like doing a more short-term intraday trade, it could be a couple of 100,000, so we could have easily been at 10 to 1. Okay, and on the FTSE, we came in at 250, so I should have leverage on there.
I'll answer that in a sec. We won't answer that. I will divert that to the humans behind me. They are our scholarship program who are looking at fundamentals. Someone wants to know that your thoughts on the Google price movement. I'm not sure you can say that live on TikTok. Okay, apparently we shouldn't have asked that question because it's a sore subject.
What was it? It was.
They're not going to see you there.
Oh, yeah, I know. But it's just like you can explain it.
Okay.
They had their earnings yesterday.
So Google had their earnings yesterday. Positive earnings. Went up, closed.
And then they had positive analyst ratings.
They also had a positive analyst ratings by 5 different banks.
And then popped in the position, got stopped out, and then just before market open, I was about to re-enter the position again. News came out that they are increasing the price of something, so it just completely reversed and went down.
Okay, so Google sent out a press thing that they are going to be increasing the prices on something. We don't know what, which then made that chart go down. So that was the thoughts on why that happened. Do you think that there's I mean, it's a bit. Can you technically trade charts when there's stocks, Finley, or not really? It's technically trade them. So could there be maybe gaps to fill there then?
Could be, yeah. It's just
Okay.
It's just quite hard to trade that just because there's so much stuff going on about there, like out of nowhere. One
Yeah.
of them could like do.
Yeah, I do. Yeah,
like join OpenAI, and that could absolutely skyrocket.
Okay. So what? Google might join OpenAI.
No, but I'm saying like that's like hypothetical.
Oh,
It
hypothetical.
would like you couldn't like predict that if that makes sense.
Okay, yeah. So the thing is with stocks, to trade them with technicals alone could be a recipe for disaster, because
Enzo pointed out, like when I was looking at a chart the other day, that there was a double top, and from there it did start to market open or whatever. Like throughout the day, it did start to go down, which was from technical. So yeah.
Okay.
You can do it like that.
The double top. Just make sure in trading you don't blow
yeah,
your top.
there's factors out of your control in every market, though, right? Yeah, you are completely
Just
correct.
make sure you don't blow your top. Or maybe Diddy or guy is.
Diddy definitely blew his top with that baby oil, yes.
Bro's still going around Diddy.
It's a rolling joke, Tom. It's how comedy works sometimes, you know. You have a joke and then you just do callbacks to that joke. So if you would also like,
You've got such a nice haircut.
if you would also like to be explained how jokes work, we are running a scholarship program where you can come and learn the art of comedy and the art of trading, all wrapped into
So
one
when
bundle.
tomorrow comes, as Bruce Lee said, free your ambitious mind and learn the art of dying.
Right. Anyway, look, Enzo, it's 3 o'clock.
So we're leaving the FTSE on quite a strong bullish move up at the moment.
Wonderful. We'll catch him with you on Tuesday.
The CAD is slightly down, and yeah, we're one step at a time, right, Russell?
Indeed, indeed.
Yeah. Remember, the man who wants to be rich in a day will be hung in a year.
Okay. I mean, on that absolutely horrible. You are going to stay to say goodbye to them.
Of course, I'm just putting my glasses on so I can. These are my analytical glasses, and I'm putting on my good ones too.
Oh, they're the ones that tell you where the price action's going.
Right.
The crystal ball ones.
They talk to me, yeah. As always, Russell, it's always nice to be. All right, so you're the host. Sorry.
Oh, go, you can sing us out today.
I'm not going to sing. I've already done some quotes.
Come on, sing us out.
We've got our song. Can't we use our song to?
No. Go on, say goodbye. Remind him about the Telegram group as well.
Telegram group?
The free Telegram group in our bio.
Oh, we have a free Telegram group.
In the bio.
In the bio.
So please join it.
Please join it.
And if you don't...
And if you don't, then you're missing out.
No, we'll come round your ass.
We'll come round.
We'll set the pig on you.
The pig will be visiting. Yeah.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that was Enzo signing off. Yeah, join the free Telegram group. Trade safe. We will see you again on Monday. Will be a podcast. So hopefully Chris is back.
He is back. He will be back, won't he? Because we've also got a new
a new batch
of students starting. Yeah,
a new batch of students starting for their diplomas. Yeah, so tune in on Monday. And thank you very much. Trade safe. Have a great evening, and I suppose have a great weekend, because I will not be live until Monday. Take care.
Take care, everyone. Bye bye.
Auf Wiedersehen.
Oh.